Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make yogurt desserts. First, select a high-quality plain or Greek yogurt as your base. Next, sweeten it to your liking with natural options such as honey, maple syrup, or a touch of agave. Finally, enhance the flavor and texture by folding in your favorite fresh fruits like berries or sliced peaches. This simple combination creates a delightful and healthy treat in minutes. Creating a beautiful yogurt parfait is easy and fun. Begin by layering your chosen yogurt with a handful of crunchy granola. Alternate with different fruits, such as blueberries, raspberries, and banana slices, to add visual appeal and diverse tastes. For an extra touch of indulgence, drizzle with a small amount of dark chocolate sauce or a spoonful of creamy almond butter. These layers make for a satisfying dessert. For a cool and refreshing option, consider frozen yogurt treats. You can easily make yogurt pops by pouring sweetened yogurt into molds and freezing them until solid. Alternatively, blend yogurt with your favorite frozen fruits like mango or strawberries to create a soft-serve consistency. This method offers a healthier alternative to ice cream, perfect for a warm day. Enjoy these chilled delights. Don't be afraid to experiment with unique flavor combinations. Try stirring in a pinch of warm spices like cinnamon or cardamom for an aromatic twist. A little citrus zest, such as lemon or orange, can brighten the entire dessert with a tangy note. For extra texture and a boost of protein, sprinkle in some chopped nuts or chia seeds. These additions elevate your yogurt dessert to a new level.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.